There's so many gnats.
Can you start recording?
Yes, I just start recording.
Oh yeah, it's summer. That means gnats.
There are so many gnats by Barbara.
No, that's Barbara.
Oh yeah, she's Barbara. I forgot.
Do I put names?
Shut up!
Yeah, we have real names.
Remember, you're Barbara. She's Amy. I'm Marissa. She's Mary.
Hi.
You're Barbara. And
No, we just. It is your name.
Duh.
I hate your name, Barbara. They did the same thing to me. I hated it. But it is your name, Barbara.
There's so
No!
there's so many
We're
gnats.
filming. It's because we can see you in pain with gnats.
I feel so sad.
There's so many gnats around
Zoom in so
her,
you can
but
actually see gnats.
I did.
Okay.
There's a couple gnats, but there's not really. And there's none.
Why aren't gnats coming out?
And then there's none near me. Say bye.